Hello everyone. Welcome to Module 1 on estimating project costs. Accurate cost estimation is vital for ensuring project success and financial feasibility. In this module, we'll explore the importance of cost estimation, the factors that affect project costs, various estimation techniques, and how to document and communicate your estimates effectively. Let's start by understanding the critical importance of cost estimation in project management. Financial feasibility. Scenario: imagine planning a new product launch. Accurate cost estimation helps determine if the project is financially viable and if it aligns with the company's budget. Importance: it ensures that the project will not exceed financial resources, avoiding budget shortfalls and ensuring economic success. Resource allocation. Scenario: consider a construction project. Estimating costs accurately helps allocate the right resources at the right time, preventing delays and optimizing resource use. Importance: it aids in efficient distribution of resources, ensuring that materials, labor, and equipment are available when needed. Informed decision-making. Scenario: think of a software development project. Accurate cost estimates provide a basis for making informed decisions regarding scope changes or additional features. Importance: it enables stakeholders to make well-informed decisions that align with financial constraints and project goals. Establishing a baseline. Scenario: consider an event planning project. Establishing a cost baseline allows for tracking actual expenses against estimated costs to identify and manage variances. Importance: it serves as a benchmark for measuring project performance and controlling costs. Accurate cost estimation is the foundation for successful project management. It ensures projects are financially viable, resources are effectively allocated, decisions are informed, and performance is measurable against a baseline. Various factors can significantly impact project costs. Let's explore these factors in detail. Scope. Scenario: imagine planning a marketing campaign. The scope of the project determines the extent and complexity of tasks, directly affecting costs. Importance: a well-defined scope helps in estimating costs accurately by detailing what is included and excluded in the project. Size and complexity. Scenario: consider a large-scale IT infrastructure upgrade. Larger and more complex projects typically require more resources, leading to higher costs. Importance: understanding the project's size and complexity helps in anticipating the resources and time required, influencing overall costs. Duration. Scenario: think of a long-term construction project. The duration impacts costs as longer projects may incur higher labor, material, and overhead costs. Importance: estimating the project duration accurately helps in predicting and managing costs over time. Resource availability and rates. Scenario: imagine a project requiring specialized skills. The availability and cost of resources, such as skilled labor or rare materials, affect project costs. Importance: knowing resource availability and rates helps in budgeting and ensures that the necessary resources are accessible within the estimated costs. Location. Scenario: consider an international project. The geographical location affects costs due to differences in labor rates, material costs, and regulatory requirements. Importance: location-specific factors must be considered to ensure accurate cost estimation for different regions. Risks. Scenario: think of a project involving cutting-edge technology. Potential risks, such as technical difficulties or market changes, can lead to cost variations. Importance: identifying and assessing risks helps in allocating contingency budgets and preparing for potential cost impacts. By understanding the factors that affect project costs, we can make more accurate estimations and better prepare for potential cost variations, ensuring project success. Now, let's explore some common techniques for estimating project costs, along with their definitions, applications, advantages, and disadvantages. Analogous estimation. Estimation based on historical data from similar past projects. Useful for early-stage estimates when detailed information is not available. Quick and cost-effective. Less accurate if past projects are not similar enough. Scenario: a project manager estimates the cost of a new marketing campaign based on the cost of a similar campaign conducted last year. Parametric estimation uses statistical relationships between historical data and other variables. Suitable for projects with measurable and quantifiable parameters. More accurate than analogous estimation. Requires detailed data and may not account for unique project variables. Scenario: estimating the cost of construction based on the cost per square meter from past projects. Bottom-up estimation estimates costs by summing the detailed costs of individual project elements. Best for projects with well-defined tasks and activities. Very accurate and detailed. Time-consuming and requires detailed information. Scenario: a project manager calculates the total cost of a software development project by adding up the costs of each development phase. 3-point estimation uses 3 estimates, optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely, to calculate an average cost. Useful for projects with high uncertainty. Provides a range of possible costs and helps in risk analysis. Requires expert judgment and can be complex. Scenario: estimating the cost of developing a new product by considering best case, worst case, and most likely scenarios. Each cost estimation technique has its strengths and weaknesses. Selecting the appropriate method depends on the project stage, available data, and the level of accuracy required. After estimating costs, it's essential to document and communicate these estimates effectively to ensure transparency and alignment among stakeholders. Documenting. Purpose: provides a detailed record of estimated costs for future reference and ensures accountability. Components should include estimated costs, assumptions, methodologies used, and potential risks. Scenario: a project manager documents the cost estimates for a new product launch, including all assumptions and estimation techniques, in a detailed report. Communication. Purpose: ensures that all stakeholders are informed and understand the cost estimates and any associated risks. Target audience: project team, sponsors, stakeholders, and financial controllers. Method: use reports, presentations, and meetings to communicate cost estimates clearly and effectively. Scenario: presenting the documented cost estimates to the project stakeholders during a project kickoff meeting to align expectations and gain approval. Effective documentation and communication of cost estimates ensure that all stakeholders are on the same page and help in making informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle. Cost management doesn't end with estimation. Continuous monitoring and controlling of costs are crucial to keep the project on track. Ensures that the project stays within budget. Helps in identifying cost variances early. Use cost performance reports to compare actual costs with estimated costs. Monitor key metrics such as cost variance and cost performance index, CPI. Earned value management, EVM integrates scope, schedule, and cost to assess project performance. Variance analysis identifies the difference between planned and actual costs. Scenario: a project manager uses EVM to monitor the costs of an IT project, identifying deviations and taking corrective actions to manage cost overruns. Continuous cost monitoring and control are vital for keeping the project within budget, ensuring financial health, and achieving project objectives. To wrap up, estimating project costs is a critical component of project management. Effective cost estimation lays the foundation for successful project planning and execution, enabling better resource allocation, informed decision-making, and financial control. By mastering cost estimation techniques, documenting and communicating costs clearly, and continuously monitoring expenses, you can significantly enhance the likelihood of project success. Key takeaways. Critical role: cost estimation is essential for project planning and financial management. Effective management, accurate estimation and continuous monitoring help in managing project costs efficiently. Success foundation: effective cost management is the foundation for project success. I encourage you to apply these principles and techniques in your projects to manage costs effectively and achieve your project goals. Thank you for your time, and we will see you in Module 2 of the Lesson 9. Also, thank you for the support. Like and subscribe to the channel.